Impact Store app is a customer success product designed to help businesses get the most out of the ServiceNow AI platform. It personalizes the digital transformation journey and accelerates time to value. In the Learn About Impact section, you can find an impact overview about the product features, the guided tour, and more. Use the guided tour to familiarize yourself with the navigation and menu options. Learn about the home page, platform health, value management, product adoption, accelerators and initiatives, and the consumption report. Let's select what's new to get an overview of the latest features. Featured is the new platform health that introduces scan engine, real-time validation, code fix AI agent, and analytics dashboards. Also view contextual recommendations and the new consumption report. The recommended next steps section provides personalized suggestions to help you maximize your ServiceNow experience. These steps are ranked based on your objectives and will be updated as you progress with the selected impact recommendation. Select the View Details drop-down for recommendation details to open the description and display the information that you need to get started right away. Impact Platform Health automates real-time code inspections to help you identify and address deficiencies, improve instance quality, and speed up development. Analytic dashboards provide customized insights based on your role. You can also integrate Platform Health with agile systems to track findings. Use Now Assist to review and automatically fix issues. Value management with Impact is a continuous process that helps you manage the value lifecycle, from envisioning to realizing value. Access immediate insights into objectives and outcomes, either pre-selected by ServiceNow expertise or personalized to your ServiceNow products. This helps you stay on track and make data-driven decisions. In the Value Report section, you can view the operational and financial impact of key success metrics aligned with your target outcomes. Track objectives and outcomes, edit details, and use states to monitor the overall progress of your goals. Capabilities maps provide a clear overview of your ServiceNow platform, listing the products and capabilities available to you. You can explore detailed descriptions and additional information about each capability. If you have multiple instances, you'll get a separate capability map for each, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of each environment. Product adoption roadmaps provide a recommended implementation sequence for your capabilities, organized into specific phases for an optimal rollout. This helps you plan and execute your implementation effectively. Initiatives are actionable plans that support your digital transformation, recommended by your Impact Squad based on your specific needs. Impact accelerators are specialized, expert-led offerings that provide targeted value. With Impact accelerators, you get valuable insights and expert guidance quickly, helping you achieve specific goals like upgrade readiness and product adoption. The consumption report gives you an overview of how you're using Impact features, helping you identify areas where you can get more value. Use Impact Store app to accelerate the digital transformation on the Now platform. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.